Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2017 GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive, stock number X106XX. Only 14,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, somewhat white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Terrain seats 5. Leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like backup camera, along with rear parking sensors and backup camera, as well as forward collision alert and lane departure warning. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power seats, with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, large, easy, and exactly 14,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control, that's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of territory left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.